Government service is not financially lucrative livelihood. Hence, it arouses suspicion when workers get suddenly rich and flaunt their wealth. With the flood control project mess at the top of the public concern, the president has ordered government agencies to look into suspicious wealth accumulation by way of a lifestyle check, as our Kenneth Paciente reports.
After President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s inspection of several failed flood control projects, he could no longer hide his anger. As part of the government's target to hold accountable those behind the anomalous projects, the president ordered a lifestyle check on government officials. This move is to determine if there is corruption among those possibly involved in the anomalous projects. This will cover agencies connected to flood control projects, starting with Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH officials.
Sa bawat ahensya, meron naman po na pwedeng magkaroon ng lifestyle check. Ang ombudsman pwedeng mag-initiate, ang BIR pwede mag-inspect, magkaroon ng lifestyle check. Sa bawat ahensya na may sakop sa kanya, DPWH, pwede rin po. So yun po, kung sino po yung may ahensya na dapat magkaroon ng pag-lifestyle check, gawin po nila.
Although agencies were given the freedom to implement lifestyle checks within their own institutions, Malacanang ensured that the investigation must be transparent and non-partisan.
Nagsalita na po kasi ang Pangulo. So dapat ang bawat ahensya ay tumupad sa kanilang tungkulin. Asahan po natin dapat at bigyan po din natin sila ng karampatang tiwala. At kapag pinakita din tayong anomalya sa kanilang pag-iimbestiga, magiging questionable rin po ang kanilang pagtatrabaho at malamang masama rin sila sa pag-iimbestiga.
The palace again assured that a thorough investigation on the projects will continue and guarantee that cases will be filed against any individual involved, allied or not, with the government. But the help of other agencies is also needed.
Sa ginagawa pong pag-iimbestiga ng Pangulo dito, ito naman po ay hudyat na rin po para sa mga ibang government agencies like COA, BIR, LGUs, Bureau of Customs, na magkaroon po ng pag-iimbestiga rito. Maraming po tayo nakikita na maraming nagkakaroon ng luxury cars. Malamang ay dapat makita rin po ito ng BOC kung ito po ba ay bayad sa mga taxes na required. At sa mga LGUs po, kung makikita po natin na itong mga contractors na to, mga kontratista na to ay napakalaki ng mga proyekto at malaki ang kanilang kinikita. Tingnan po nila kung ito po ay naaayon din sa mga mayor's permit or business permit na kanilang binabayaran sa LGUs. Pati po sa BIR.
Not all DPWH employees are corrupt. This was Malacanang's response to Senator Panfilo Lacson's statement that the agency is allegedly one big criminal syndicate.
Kaya nga po hindi nagbabanggit agad ang Pangulo kung sino man agad ang involved dito dahil ayaw niya pong makasagasa ng mga inosenteng tao na hindi man involved. Kung yan po ang pananaw ni Senator Lacson, tandaan po natin, hindi naman po lahat ng tao sa DPWH ay maaaring involved. At katulad ng ginagawa po ng Pangulong Marcos Jr., pinapaimbestigahan niya po lahat para po malinis at maiayos kung ano po ang naging pagkakamali sa mga maanumalyang flood control projects.
The palace also confirmed that the president has received documents from Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong concerning the alleged failed flood control projects. Although the palace did not disclose the content of the documents, the president is open to talking with Mayor Magalong, among others who have information that can help with the investigation.
Kahit naman po sino ay open ang Pangulo kung ito naman po ay patungkol sa maanumalyang flood control projects. So, kahit sino po, lalong-lalo na po si Mayor Magalong, welcome po ang mayor para makausap po ang Pangulo patungkol po dyan.
As of now, reports submitted to sumbongsapangulo.ph have reached 9,020, and the government again encourages the public to help hold accountable those behind the failed projects. In light of the developments in the flood control project investigation, Malacanang said that the president's trust remains with DPWH Secretary Manuel Bunoan. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.